Zhian and Hadleigh vlog. Ayan. Hello everyone. Ayan. Mag-unbox tayo na.
I think that's a gun. Look.
It's a gun? What do you think what's this one?
A gun.
Ayan. Galing sa Amazon. Ayan. Amazon. Ayan. Okay. So let's start opening what's in the box. Can you guess what's in the box, Hadleigh?
I want to open this one.
Yeah, give me something. Kamay mo. Yeah.
I think that's a Nerf gun.
What is it? It's a Nerf gun? There you go.
You guess?
Oh, you guess? Do you know what's this? Oh, look at that. Choop. Okay. Choop.
Oh, you guys!
And choop.
Ah, you step in there.
There you go. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Ayan ang ating. Ayan. Mamaya kayo magpaputok. There you go. Oh, dear. It's popping up. Ayan, ito guys ang ating na-receive ngayon. Ayan, ito guys, a 360 rotating Belgian waffle maker with removable plates. Ayan, yan yung nagustuhan ko guys dyan. Yung matatanggal yung kanyang itong ano niya, lutuan niya para mahugasan siya ng maigi. Check natin ang meron sa loob ng ating box. Ay, go. Ayan. Ito ay may ano din siya. 2-year warranty. Ayan. Oh, look at this. What's this, baby? Hadleigh, it's a rotating, it's a Nerf gun. Ayan, but this is not a Nerf gun, Hadleigh. Look at this one. Do you think what's this one?
This Nerf gun.
Is that a Nerf gun?
Yeah.
Wow. This is a full one. There you go.
That one.
This is for making waffle. Do you like waffle?
Yeah, I like waffle.
Oh, Hadleigh wants waffle. There you go. What's this inside? Ayan guys, ito siya. Ayan, ito yung sinasabi niyang rotating siya. Ayan, so. Ito siya guys. Ayan, ito yung, meron siyang lock dito. Ayan. So, there you go. Ito yung ano niya. Ayan. There you go. There you go. Ay, natatanggal pala ito. Ayan, natatanggal pala siya.
Ma, that's
Kaya
a
pala.
waffle maker.
Yeah, I think there's ano oh.
Ma, see.
There's there you go. We can make a 4 waffle.
My one
There you go.
waffle.
Yeah, 4.
Ma, when you put it the bun,
Mm-hmm.
you can scoop it up with you. And
Mm-hmm.
you have a spoon.
You have a spoon, that's right. You have to use a spoon to scoop something for this one. So,
When you cut it,
mm-hmm.
you can grab it like a
No, this one is already cut. It's automatically cut because this already have this one inside, right?
Ma, how
Yeah. So
this?
when you get it, it's already a triangle.
Yeah.
Do you think it's a
It's like a
triangle?
piece. It's like a pizza.
It's a pizza. Ayan. So, eto guys. Meron siyang pihitan dito para matanggal yung plate niya. There you go. There you go. Ayan, meron siyang ano dito. Meron siyang button para sa pag tinanggal mo yung kanyang plate. Ayan. Ay, nakakatuwa naman ito. There you go. Ito pagpus ka ng button para hindi magasgas. There you go. And then this one has another button here. So we can wash it. See that? And then there's a pattern para maibalik mo siya dito sa kanyang tamang lagayan. Ayan. So may lock din siya. Ayan. So pagkatapos mo siyang magamit, pwede mo siyang hugasan separately. Meron yung iba, hindi natatanggal yung ganito. Kaya lang, nagustuhan ko ito dahil, ano siya, pwede mong tanggalin itong plate niya para mahugasan mo na maayos ba. Kasi, ayan siya, oh. Ayan, so, I think kahit na anong ilagay mo dito, no? Kasi pareho lang sila. Kasi pareho sila ng design ng the bottom. So, mas madali, no? So, this is the... Pwede mo, kahit mapagpalit mo siya, okay lang. Kasi pareho naman sila ng size. At pareho ng, ayan guys. Ayan. So, makikita niyo dito sa loob. Ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, ayan. Ganyan naman siya. So, ito yung kanyang manual. Ayan, nagpaputok na sila. There you go. Meron siyang instruction dito. Waffle maker parts list. Ayan. Green is ready. Ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi niya. Oh, you're popping? Ayan. Green and orange. Ayan. So, and then the base. Ayun. Ito pala yung base niya, guys. Ito yung base niya. Natatanggal siya. So, it's gonna be 360. Ayan, ito pala. Yung base niya to, ayun o. Pagka inano mo siya, ayan yung ano niya. Ayan guys, pagka nilagay mo yung base niya, ayan. Tapos, bubuksan mo siya. Ayan. So, ayan, pag naglagay ka, pwedeng balik. Pwede siya, kasi 360 siya eh. So, ibig sabihin, pwede siyang mag-rotate, pwede siyang dito sa taas, ito sa baba, ito siya, oh. Ro-rotate mo siya. I'm gonna try to put it back. So, how will I do it? May butas doon. Ayun, tapos meron siyang ano dito, guys, oh. Meron siyang guide para maibalik mo itong dalawang plate niya. Ayan. It's butas. And then, there you go. There you go. Easy to put, easy to take it out, and easy to put it back. Ayan. And then ito din, ganun din, kasi nga pareho lang naman sila. So, meron lang ilalagay ganun. There you go. And then, when you cook, yeah, that's the base. That's the base, and then you just that's the green light is ready, and then orange has it indicates that there's power on your waffle maker. Ito guys, ang ating bagong waffle maker. So, diba, ang cute niya. Akala ko maliit lang, malaki pala. Ito, pero ito siya, oh, meron siyang konting waffle. Different, really. This is a different one.
But when you pull it, you can
Ayan. Nagluto kasi ako ng pancake. Pareho lang naman sila ng mixture. You want pancake again? Mama and me, we're gonna make waffle. How about that?
Oh, there's no cake.
Yeah, we're gonna make waffle. I will wash it and then we're gonna make waffle. Okay, come. And then we're gonna say bye-bye. Okay, you wanna show that one? Okay. Yeah, stand up. Yes, stand up. Yeah, I will. Yeah, the next one. Okay, so you wanna show them what's this one?
When you pour it,
Mm-hmm.
pour it in this way.
Mm-hmm.
You can pour it after the green light is on.
Mm-hmm.
The orange is top.
Mm-hmm.
So the
Green light.
green light.
Yes. Oh, the green light is gold.
Mom, when
Okay.
you pour it,
Yeah, that's different, sweetie. That's,
look, it's big.
that is a wine eraser.
Not big.
That's water kettle.
Small.
Yeah, that's big and small. Okay, do you want to say bye,
No, wait,
everyone?
I want to show
Oh, you want to show them first? Okay.
you this.
Okay, so that is a milk frother.
Mom, I can press this.
Frother.
Mom, what? Oh, look at this.
When it's cooking, don't touch because it's really hot.
Mom,
Okay? Hmm?
don't touch when it say hot.
Oh, yeah, that's
Mom,
right.
spell this.
Spell that or read it. Sakura.
Nice and
Yes. S-E.
touching it.
It's stop touching. Okay. You say bye-bye now, guys.
Wait.
Say bye. Okay,
Bye,
show this
Papa.
one. We have a new waffle for
Mama,
waffle
when
maker
you
for
turn
Hadleigh. Is it for Hadleigh?
Mom, when you turn it,
Mm-hmm.
you can press the button. But no.
No touching. Okay, do you want to say bye, everyone?
Bye! Bang seka!
Thank you for watching. Ayan, if you are not yet subscribe to our channel, Zhian&Hadleigh Vlog, don't forget to turn on the notification bell para pag meron kaming new uploads or new videos ay mano-notify kayo. Say bye-bye, everyone. We love you.
I love you,
God bless you
Bang Seka.
all.